guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pinay Peg, and today I want to share with you guys what I've been eating lately. I started this diet just a week ago and I fell in love because this diet you can still eat meat, which I love. This diet is called paleo diet or paleo diet, and this is can also be a keto diet. So anyway, I just want to share with you guys some ideas what you can make with this diet. Enjoy! So this salad dressing is super simple. I made it with mustard, honey, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. That is it.